I'm like, nobody cares about you, you're black. And this guy's like, yeah, black and you're Mexican. And this guy, he's like, yeah, Leo, go back with the 7 doors.
Even Donald Trump wants to send him back.
And Marco be like, corner.
Oh dang, all we do.
Pull up another burner!
The goal's down, not up.
You know who we need up here? Benavides.
Nah. Benavides is good.
Oh, dude, he makes the best roasts. Even Benavides got it in the air.
I can with this basketball shoes.
With his basketball shoes.
He's flat-footed. With the puta.
Supposedly he got super fun.
Everybody makes mistakes.
Everybody makes mistakes.
Everybody has those
days.
What? Who's singing that song?
Hannah Montana. Okay, you never had a childhood.
No, I was just making sure.
Hey, Leo. How could you not know the score of your own team? That's sad.
Shoot it.
Hey, what did he say?
He said, "What's the score?" And I'm like, "No." Hesky. Marco, reaction?
That was so easy. Why is he supposed to trash? You're trash.
Would have been a wet. Let's go f***ing bench or something.
How are we not winning already? Oh yeah.
We
It's like that one game where he has, what's the score? And he was playing.
How are we not winning by 3-0?
Not even Marco. I mean Benavides.
Well, Benavides even knew the score. No, I thought it was number 7 that's first.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
Leo, little kid, get in already.
Little
He gets in, they start losing.
Oh, shit. Let's go again! Well, there goes the skill show.
Hey, I just said that. You can't steal my phrase.
I can, and I just did. Oh, explosion, PNG.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it's so hard to bite.
So you said glory and majesticness.
Oh, I don't know what type of majestic taste and glory you've been tasting.
That leg by Sabah.
Jehovah's Witness.
That's the wrong number.
Bruh.
Stop flopping, Ramiro. Are you on the ground? Flopping.
You're greasy for views. You gotta put them out fast.
I ain't greasy.
I see number 12.
I'll show you greasy. Burger King. They use horse meat.
¿Qué más? A Messi.
Yes, that out of play. Leo Bernal vision.
Ramiro with the vision.
We had enough money to buy dirt?
Brian, you didn't get in the video, you
What? Does it really matter? Did we score? No.
How could this happen to me? I made my mistakes.
When it shut down, that's not me and it shut down.
Fue gol presentado por el mixtape de Leo Bernal, How to Get Late. ¡Eric, no lo sueltes!
My God, no pay.
Oh, this thing sucks. Dude.
Yeah, Brian, man. Brian, I didn't see your name on the list. Brian, I didn't see your name on the list. Brian, I didn't see your name on the list. Brian, I didn't see your name on the list.
Well, at least I didn't lose my girl to a pedophile.
Get on the team. Don't be the guy recording this or the guy without shoes. Don't buy your shoes at the swap meet. Don't buy cheap ass shoes at the swap meet, guys. Don't buy them. Get them at Extreme Soccer.
And don't buy overpriced shoes if you're not going to play well. Thank you. And did the guy with the cheap ass shoes do this?
And my boy Sliz, we got this new dance for y'all, you dig? You dig? N-E-Y. Do the stanky leg. Do the stanky leg. Do the stanky leg. When I hit the dance floor, do the stanky leg. Do the Here comes the money. Money, money, money. Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar. Cheating, bling, bling, cut the chatter. You ain't talking money, then you're talking no matter.
No! Worse than Leo!
¡Muñoz! ¡Perdiste otra vez la torta!
Worse than Leo! He left.
No one wanted him.
Oh!
Shoot it!
No! Worse than Leo! Oh, Tony the worse than Leo! Worse than Leo! Leo with that vision. Yes, Leo! Oh, what? Oh, I thought he saved it. Yeah, but it went in. That's not saving it. Yes, Leo. Oh! And you said I was gonna slip. Leo can't get to that.
Hey, Leo's not fast enough.
Dude, Leo could not done that. Oh, Tony!
There goes Chubbs, man.
Oh, I think I misplaced that, bro.
Leo could not done that.
And there
Wait, Leo. What happened to your like jersey that you were gonna wear? Like the one that you got online?
I don't go and keep,
Con razón.
It's Romero. He actually touched it. Ew, you spit on my lip.
That's how much.
Dude, I'm gonna get HIV.
Yes, Leo. Yeah, Leo! What was I expecting? Was I expecting like a header? No.
But
Dude, that's just not what you want. And I got that.
hey, Leo's the best player of the team.
Gonna keep my head held high.
Yes, Leo.
There's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna.
Hey, Leo, we're wearing black jerseys.
Don't be like Leo. You read Leo's book, How to Get Laid?
The Leo Bernal vision.
Oh. R.I.P. R.I.P. Leo Bernal. Hashtag one like, one prayer for Leo. See, Leo, now I'm begging for likes. Y todo pa' eso. You just passed it to him. Pass it to your teammates.
Be a memory of a time I tried so hard and got so far. In the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall.
Something Leo tries to do at lunch, but he just can't do. The slide tackle. The ball went up? So it was the ball. Oh no! No! No!
Nah, if they pass it to Leo, nah. Pass it to anybody except Leo.
Well, when they just pass it to Leo, you just know. You just know.
So like
Yes, Leo!
ball, he can give like additional minutes.
How to get laid? Yeah. Put Marco in! Take Leo out, at least he can pass it.
Dude, Leo's like the worst player of the team.